Open your hearts and minds to a magnificent new kind of practical magic, where setting intentions and matching vibrations become the powerful process by which you co-create the life of your dreams. And you get to see what it means to live and be in peace and harmony. With love being the highest vibration, you can exponentially increase your powers of creation. Your thoughts and feelings create the ceiling for the ability of your dreams to come true. The power is yours to break down the doors of false understanding and limiting beliefs. It will be with a mighty great relief, and your well-being and joie de vivre will increase beyond all belief.